Excellent acid reflux advice for ridding yourself of this condition. Acid reflux can help make sure that you never feel comfortable no matter your surroundings. You don't want to suffer through this day after day. Instead, you want a life that is free of this harmful and painful condition. Keep watching to find out how you can do this for yourself with some simple tips and tricks. Stay away from acidic foods. They can both cause and exacerbate acid reflux. While this is by no means a comprehensive list, try to avoid oranges, tomatoes, grapefruit and vinegar. If you can't cut them out of your diet completely, at least try to avoid eating them in the evenings, so acid reflux doesn't strike when it is time for bed. If you have acid reflux disease, you may want to consider using proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs. This is a medication is prescribed your doctor and is used to stop stomach acid from getting into your intestines and stomach. Obviously, if there is no acid in your stomach, it cannot come up through the esophagus either. Acid reflux can be caused by a number of different things, not just the types of food you are eating. Look into your lifestyle too and see if you're not pushing yourself too hard, under excessive stress or otherwise need to take better care of yourself. Learn to relax, improve your diet and see if that doesn't help. Don't drink alcohol if you are trying to treat symptoms of acid reflux. The effects of alcohol actually work to relax the muscles in your esophagus, which worsens reflux. Consider what you are eating, how you are eating and if you've got too much stress in your life as possible reasons for frequent acid reflux and change them before reaching for your next drink. Take the advice that has been given to you here, and work towards eliminating acid reflux from your life. It's not going to happen instantly, but you can be assured that the strategies here will help you. Do not subject yourself to that daily discomfort any longer, and make sure that you follow the advice that has been given to you. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.